best mobiles you can buy in 2024, our top picks for March. If you're gonna shop for a new phone in 2024, where and what do you look to? We've picked out some best smartphones of the year with a wide range of great features. The smartphone should be powerful enough and efficient in terms of performance. Whether you're looking for an all-rounder and fast-performance smartphone or an affordable one for professional use, we've got something for every type of user. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra maintains the top spot for its immersive and vibrant display, reliable battery life, and wealth of special AI features. It's a great choice for many people. The smartphone features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display and a reliable 5000 mAh battery. It's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is perfect for gaming as well. The phone hosts generative AI capabilities. Of course, it's not the only best option available for you. For other top-notch options, here's a list. So these are our top list of smartphone picks from Apple, Samsung, Google, OnePlus, and more. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, Google Pixel 8 Pro, OnePlus Open, Motorola Razr Plus, Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, OnePlus 12, Asus Zenfone 10, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, Google Pixel 7a.